Hello everyone, for today's video ay kung paano tayo mag-appeal or alisin ang violation sa video na in-upload sa TikTok. And the video removed because violates the TikTok community guidelines. Okay, kung ikaw po ay interesado, tumutok ka lang po dito sa channel and please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Ikaw ba ay nakatanggap ng strikes and warning or violation sa iyong TikTok video and gusto mong tanggalin ang violation na to at hindi mo alam kung bakit ka nagkaroon ng violation and lalo na kung alam mo naman na ang video mo ay hindi lumabag sa kanilang community guidelines. Okay, so ito pala guys yung video ko na in-upload na may 42.1k views. Actually, hindi naman ako masyado nag-upload ng video dito sa TikTok at kokonti lang din ang video ko dito. And ito lang yung full tutorial na in-upload ko dito. So, ang hindi ko alam kung ba't nagka-violation ako sa video na to at alam ko naman na wala akong nilabag sa kanilang community guidelines. Okay, so makikita natin dito yung first warning sign at sa video na to ay hidden na at may nakalagay na community guidelines violation. Okay, kapag pinindot naman natin tong first warning ay lalabas dito yung strikes and warning. So sa first warning is less severe but kapag one or more strike or repeated violations ay pwedeng maban ang aking account. At kapag severe violation naman ang ating account ay pwedeng maban sa first strike. Okay, so pag dito guys ay paano tayo mag-appeal or alisin ang violation sa video na in-upload natin dito sa TikTok. Okay, bumalik lang tayo dito sa homepage at pindutin natin tong inbox. Okay, then tap system notification at lalabas dito yung system notification. Then pindutin ng view more. Makikita natin dito na ang video ay na-list because the video violates community guidelines. At nakalagay dito yung warning na tatanggap ko at video details. Okay, pindutin lang tong next. And makikita natin dito yung specific violation reason. Itap lang natin tong see more. Ang violation ko daw guys is harassment and bullying. Okay, itap lang natin tong next. And lalabas yung submit and appeal. Okay, dahil naniniwala ako na ang aking content ay nagkamali na lagyan ng warning, so I want to submit an appeal. Okay, pwede mo tong i-skip muna and you have 80 days from the date of the violation to appeal. So, binibigyan pa tayo ng 80 days kung ayaw pa natin sa ngayon na mag-submit ng appeal. But if you want to submit an appeal now, itap mo lang tong submit appeal. And dito guys, ay appeals typically take up 24 hours but may take longer in some cases at once lang po pwede mag-submit ng appeal. Okay, makikita natin dito yung video details at violation reason. Okay, if sure ka na ay itap mo na tong submit at lalabas na dito yung appeal status is submitted. Pag ganito guys ay kailangan nating maghintay na result kasi kailangan pa nila itong i-review. Okay, so i-close muna natin tong account and babalikan natin ito mamaya. After 2 hours ay ni-check ko ulit yung aking account. Okay, at dito sa inbox guys ay may natanggap ulit akong system notification. Tap lang natin tong system notification. And ito na yung result ng video appeal. Okay, i-see more lang natin and ang sabi dito guys, our policy team has reviewed your video and has restored it. We appreciate your patience and contributions to our community. Okay, kapag nitap naman natin tong view more, lalabas dito guys yung appeal approved. Dito naman sa important info, yung appeal status submitted August 9, 2025 at 10:17 AM. And approved po same date, August 9, 2025 at 10:50 AM. So, naghintay lang ako guys ng ilang minute bago nila in-approve yung aking appeal. Kikita na ulit dito yung aking video at nawala na yung warning sign. Okay, so ganun lang po guys kung paano tanggalin ang TikTok Community Guidelines violation. At sana po ay nakatulong itong video sa inyo. At kung kayo po ay natulungan din ng video, hit like and subscribe button. Okay? Thank you for watching.